Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 10. As I have given this question your homework, but most of the students have some sort of problem while solving this question, right? So what the question says is a water tank has steps inside it. एक water tank है where you have some steps. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. You can see the picture of that image. I think in page number 5 you can see there's a monkey sitting on the very first step, and he wants to reach at ninth step where the water level from where the water level starts. The question says is he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 3 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? The question is very simple. The question says, let's say in the very first step, okay, I'll explain you this by drawing number of diagrams from like this. Let's say 9 steps are there. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 steps are there, and water level starts from the 9th step. This is the water level. Okay. So in the very first case, so एक आपके पास टैंक है और उस टैंक तक जाने के लिए some stairs are there. A monkey who is sitting on the very first step, he needs to reach at this point from where the water level starts. उस monkey को from step 1 step 9 तक आना है जहाँ पर कि water level start हो रहा है to drink that water. Now in the very first question, the question asks he jumps 3 steps down. First case में जो monkey है 3 steps down आता है and then 2 steps back आता है. Okay. So in the very first step he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 3 steps up. How to solve this? Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let's say this is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Why I'm drawing number of diagrams? So that you can get the gist of the question, that what question says is 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now first that the monkey first jumped from the first stair, and he jumped 3 steps down. So 1, 2 and 3. So in the very first case he jumped to 4th stair and then jumped back to 2 steps, so 1 and 2. So in the first step, first he jumped 3 steps down and then he jumps back 2 steps up. So initially he jumped from 1st to 4th and now he is in the 2nd. सो फर्स्ट केस में मंकी ने क्या किया, 3 स्टेप्स डाउन आया, दैट मीन्स 3 स्टेयर्स को वो नीचे उतरा, एंड देन 2 स्टेप्स बैक वो दोबारा चढ़ा। सो अल्टीमेटली लास्ट में जो उसकी फाइनल पोजीशन वो क्या है, सेकंड। तो अभी सेकंड स्टेप में है वो। सो यहाँ पे उसने कितने स्टेप्स कवर करे, 2। सो 2 जंप्स में, इन 2 जंप्स हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स ही ही जंप्ड 1 स्टेप। अगर आप देखें तो 2 जंप्स में उसने सिर्फ एक ही स्टेप वो नीचे उतरा है, राइट। थर्ड क्वेश्चन जो है उसको मैं साथ साथ यहाँ पे बता रहा हूं। फर्स्ट 3 स्टेप्स डाउन एंड 2 स्टेप्स अप, राइट। जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है वो मैं साथ साथ आपको बता रहा हूं कि -3 एंड देन +2। आई थिंक दिस थिंग इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल। सो बेटा फर्स्ट केस में क्या किया, जो मंकी था वो 4th पे जंप किया एंड बैक वो 2 स्टेप्स ऊपर आया, तो नाउ ही इज फाइनल पोजीशन इज सेकंड स्टेयर। नाउ ही इज इन सेकंड स्टेयर, अगेन he jumped 3 steps down, so 1 2 and 3. So now he jumped in the 5th stair and then jumped back 2 stairs up, so 1 2. So now the final position is third stair, right? Again here बेटा उसने 2 जंप्स करी, यहाँ पर भी उसने 2 जंप्स उसने करी। सो फर्स्ट 2 जंप्स लेने के बाद वेयर ही वाज इन सेकंड स्टेयर, आफ्टर टेकिंग फर्दर 2 जंप्स, नाउ हिज फाइनल पोजीशन इज थर्ड स्टेयर। अब वो किस सीढ़ी में है, थर्ड स्टेयर में है वो। अगेन यहाँ पर भी आप क्या लिखेंगे बेटा, -3 + 2। माइनस इज फॉर डाउन स्टेप्स डाउन एंड प्लस फॉर 2 स्टेप्स अप। सिमिलरली now his final position is third stair. Now again he will jump 3 steps down, so 1 2 and 3 in 6th position, in 6th stair, and further he jumps back 2 steps up, 1 and 2. So again he made 2 jumps, right? Again -3 + 2. Now his final position is in, now he is in 4th stair. Now again he is in 4th stair and he need to jump 3 steps down, so 1 2 and 3. That means from 4th he will jump to 7 and jumps back 2 steps up, that means 1 and 2. That means now his final position is 5th stair. So again he took 2 jump, and here again -3 + 2. This is for -3, this is for +2, this is for -3, this is for +2, this is for -3, this is for +2, this is for -3, this is for +2. Now finally he is in 5th stair, he jumped 3 steps down, so 1 2 and 3. So from 5th he jumped to 8th. Now again he need to jump back 2 steps up, that means from 8, now his final position is 6th stair. Again he took 2 jumps, -3 + 2. This is for -3, the arrow which is coming down is for -3, is showing -3, and the arrow which is showing upward direction is represented by +2. So 1 2 3 4 5. I just need to draw one more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? Now he's in the 6th position. Now he jumps 3 steps down, so his final position up to this step is 6th stair. Now 1 2 and 3. So now ultimately he reached to the 9th step where the water level starts. So in how many jumps he reached to water level? you can simply see here, and this contribute to just -3, right? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So in 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. So in the 11 jumps, he required 11 jumps to reach the water level. If the pattern is first he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. So बेटा अगर उसको जो पैटर्न है वो इस तरीके से है कि पहले वो 3 स्टेप्स नीचे जाएगा देन 2 स्टेप्स ऊपर आएगा, अगर ये पैटर्न रहता है सो उसको टोटल कितने जंप्स उसको रिक्वायर्ड होंगे? 11 जंप्स रिक्वायर्ड होंगे टू रीच टू द वाटर लेवल. आई थिंक दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट मैथड. अगर आप चाहते हैं, इफ यू वांट आई कैन ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन सिस्टम आल्सो. ओके, आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट दिस थिंग इन नंबर लाइन आल्सो. सो पहले मैं आंसर इसमें मेंशन कर देता हूं. फर्स्ट आई जस्ट नीड टू मेंशन द आंसर, and the answer is total jumps required is equals to 11, right? Total jumps required कितनी होगी बेटा? 11. Now if I want to represent this in the number line, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So okay students, first draw these diagrams for your understanding, then I'll explain you how you can represent this thing in the number line also. So please note it down fast. This is the first step. In the first step, he took a jump of 3 steps down and then 2 steps up. So in 2 jumps, he covered basically 1 step, right? Similarly, in the successive manner, again he took 2 jumps. Now the final position is 3rd stair. In 3rd case, final position is 4th stair. Then 5th, then 6th, and in the last, he jumps 3 steps down. So from 6th he jumps to 9th where the water level starts. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to total number of jumps required by that monkey is 11 to reach the water level. First note it down fast, this thing, then I'll explain you how you can represent this in the number line also. And still any student has any doubt in this question, because this is a very good question, you can ask me in the Zoom class or in the later classes, okay? But try to understand this concept first, okay? Now the another method of representation is number line, the number system method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say these, I just represented the stairs in this form. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth, and this is the 9th stair from where the water level starts. In the very first case, when the monkey is at the top, so first he jumped 3 steps down, that means 1 to 4. In the first case, he jumped from 1 to 4, right? And then jumps 2 steps, jump back 2 steps up. That means, so how I am representing 3 steps down, 1, 2 and 3. How I am representing 2 steps up, 1 and 2. So this is for down, this is for up. This is shown by -3, this is represented by +2. Now the final position is +2. Now the final position is second stair. Now from second, again he jumps 3 steps down, that means 1, 2 and 3. From 2 he comes to 5 and then jumps back 2 steps up. That means 1 and 2, that means at 3. So this is showing -3, this is showing +2. Now the final position is third stair. Now from 3 again he takes 3 steps down, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 at 6, and then this is shown, this is represented by -3, and then again he jumps back 2 steps up, 1 and 2. At 4. Now the final position is 4. Now the final position is 4. Again he jumps 3 steps down. That means from 4th stair, now he jumps to 7th, and again he jumps back 2 steps up, 1 and 2. Right? So 1. Okay. Now the final position is 5th. Now from 5th again he jumps 3 steps down, 1, 2 and 3, and again jumps up 2 steps, so +2. Now the final position is 6th stair. Now again he jumped 3 steps down. That means from 6th now he reached to 9th stair from where the water level starts. So for that, what I'll represent here is water level starts. So please count the number of lines here. This is shown by -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So total 11 jumps are required by that monkey to jump from first stair to the 9th stair from where the water level starts. So I don't think कि बेटा इससे और इजी और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. आई डोंट थिंक कि इससे और इजी मेथड कोई और अवेलेबल है. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव गिवन यू बोथ द मेथड्स. वन इज द स्टेयरकेस मेथड एंड अदर इज द लाइन रिप्रेजेंटेशन मेथड. ओके, सो टोटल jumps required is equals to 11. -3 + 2 -3 + 2. if I write like this, जो -2 + 2 वाला मैं बता रहा हूँ, this is the third question. okay, third part of this question. so उसको साथ साथ आप लेके चलेंगे. so what I'll write here is -3 + 2 -3 + 2 -3 + 2 -3 + 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So these are the 11 jumps. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Now -3 -3 -3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 3s are 18. 1 2 3 4 5 5 2s are 10. That means -8. So -8, what minus sign represent is 8 steps down. So बेटा इस चीज को ध्यान रखना है. थर्ड पार्ट का जो थर्ड पार्ट है उसका आंसर यही है. This is the representation. So -3 + 2 -3 + 2 -3 + 2. In this way the monkey has stepped down 9 stairs, right? So -8 क्या represent कर रहा है? What minus sign representing? वो 8 steps down आ गया है. ठीक है. So this is the solution of first part. I think this thing is clear to you. If yes, please note it down fast. Then I'll explain you the second part of this question. Now what second part of this question says is, now after drinking water, he for monkey, he wants to go back. Now abhi at the first question the monkey was in the final position of monkey was the 9th step from where water level starts. वो monkey कहाँ पे आ गया था? 9th step पे आ गया था, जहाँ पर से कि water level start होता है. Now he wants to go back. From this he jumps 4 step up. Now the second pattern is 4 step up, and 2 steps down. 4 steps up, 2 steps down in every move. So in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? अब उसको टॉप स्टेप पे आना है. पैटर्न इज पहले वो 4 स्टेप्स ऊपर आएगा, देन 2 स्टेप्स नीचे आएगा, देन 4 स्टेप्स ऊपर आएगा, देन 2 स्टेप्स नीचे आएगा. तो इस तरीके से हाउ मेनी जंप्स आर रिक्वायर्ड बाय द मंकी टू रीच एट द टॉप. नाउ सी 9th पोजीशन पर भी वो है. 4 steps, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from 9th, first he jumped to 5th stair and then jump back to 2 steps, 1, 2. That means in the 7th step. So final position is 7th. Now the monkey is at the 7th stair. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. From 7 he jumped to 3rd stair. Now 1 and 2, but the final position is 5th stair. Because अब देखिए बेटा, इसको आप रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. हाउ यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट लाइक दिस? आई मीन 4 स्टेप्स अप, दैट मीन्स +4 -2 +4 -2. हाउ मेनी जंप्स? 2 jumps here, 2 jumps here. Now the final position is 5th stair. Now he is in the 5th stair. Now he again jumped 4 steps up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So finally he reached at the top. 1 step. This is shown by +4. So how many jumps are required for that monkey to reach at the top? If he follows this pattern, 4 steps down and 4 steps up and 2 steps down, 2 + 2 + 1, that means total jumps required, or total number of jumps required by that monkey is 2 + 2 + 1, which is equals to 5 jumps. So in 5 jumps using this pattern, the monkey who is at the 9th stair will reach at the top. Okay, and बेटा थर्ड क्वेश्चन के लिए जो मैं पैटर्न आपको बता रहा हूं, this pattern will be followed. +4 -2 +4 -2 +4, 4 + 4 + 4, 12, 2 + 2 4 + 8. So जैसे मैं आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट में बताया था, as I have told you the first part, the -3 + 2 -3 + 2, the result will give us the what result I got? -8. But here what I get is +8. So first case में बेटा वो नीचे आ रहा था, because in the first case he need to jump from the 1st to 9th. So उसको फर्स्ट स्टेयर से 9th स्टेयर में आना था. That's why the result was -8 there in the first part. But second part में आप देखेंगे उसको नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाना. That means +8. So plus is showing upward movement and minus is showing in downward movement. Please note it down fast. And beta, I just request you, if you have any doubt, any sort of doubt you have, you can ask me in the Zoom class or any other later sessions. Okay, but till that, please note it down fast. And this is for the third part of this question. So plus is showing upward movement, upward jump you can say, or upward movement. Okay, now the number line representation of the same is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Water level. Okay, now he is coming back from 9th stair to 1st stair, right? So first he will take 4 jump up. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. From 9th he will come to 5th. Then this is showing by, this is represented by +4 and 2 steps down. That means -2. Final position is now 7. Now from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps up, 2 steps down. Now the final position is 5th stair. Now in the last step, what he'll do? 1 2 3 4, 4 steps up. So from 9th stair, now he's at the top after 1 2 3 4 5. So total number of moves or total number of jumps is equals to 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. What plus sign represent is the upward movement of that monkey. This is movement, okay? I think this thing is not visible, so I'm just writing this movement here. This is up, you can say plus sign shows upward jump or movement of the monkey. So this is a very important question, very interesting question. So please practice this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom session. Okay then, thank you.